Are you looking for the best teeth whitening in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best teeth whitening that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. The Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit is affordable and effective. These white strips are designed to provide you with similar results when compared to professional whitening treatments. This teeth whitening kit from Crest includes 2 different types of whitening strips. The 10 Vivid Plus strips work overtime with the 2 rapid treatments are designed to show results in just one use. At number 4, Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste. The Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste is perfect for anyone who wants to whiten their teeth without spending a lot. This toothpaste is effective when used consistently over time. This whitening toothpaste from Colgate Total comes in a 2-pack. It's made with powerful whitening agents that can remove years of stains from your teeth. At number 3, Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitestrips. The Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitestrips contain powerful whitening ingredients that are designed to provide lasting effects. These strips are easy to use and relatively mess-free. This set of whitening strips from Crest is designed to provide you with professional-like results at a fraction of the cost. The strips are also convenient to use at home to save time over dentist visits. At number 2, Crest 3D White Luxe Whitestrip Teeth Whitening Kit. The Crest 3D White Luxe Whitestrips Teeth Whitening Kit is designed to remove up to 10 years of stains from your teeth. The results can last around 6 months. This teeth whitening kit comes with everything you need to whiten your teeth in a little time. The white strips are easy to use and come pre-loaded with the powerful whitening agent, which makes them virtually mess-free. At number 1, Cali White Activated Charcoal and Organic Coconut Oil Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. The Cali White Activated Charcoal and Organic Coconut Oil Whitening Toothpaste is ideal for anyone who wants to lighten their teeth without spending a lot of money. This whitening toothpaste from Cali White uses natural ingredients to safely whiten your teeth over time. The toothpaste has a pleasant mint flavor. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.